So hello guys, recently I've been receiving a lot of comments of people asking me how exactly can you actually create a monetizable Facebook page. And the truth is that creating a monetizable Facebook page is not really difficult and it's very easy. But then some mistakes you make whilst creating the page can actually cost you a lot later on. So in this video I'm actually going to share with you a complete guide on how you can actually create your Facebook page. Now in order to create the Facebook page, for the previous one I did it on my laptop, and a lot of you were asking how you can do it on mobile. Well, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually create a Facebook page using just your smartphone. So whether you're using an Android, an iPhone, there's no problem at all. So guys, with this said, let's get down to business. Now the first thing you basically need to do is simply you need to open up your Facebook. Now you can see I'm currently on my Facebook right now, but this is my dummy account. It's just a backup in case I lose my main account. I have every other thing here as well. Now once you come over to your Facebook like this, the next thing you need to do is basically you click on your profile. So now guys, before we proceed, I would like to let you know that what this video you are watching is officially sponsored by 22bet. Now 22bet is a gambling company that is licensed and registered globally in most countries, and even in the country I currently live in, Ghana. So if you are looking for a reliable platform to actually place bets on, make sure you use 22bet. And however, remember to gamble responsibly, and gambling is for people only above the ages of 18 strictly. So if you are below 18, stay away from it, and if you are above 18, you can go give a try to gambling as well. So the link to 22bet will be down in this video description. So guys, with this said, let's get back to our tutorial. Now once you are on here, the next thing you need to do is basically click on where it says see more. Now if you click on see more, you see the option of pages. Then you click on pages. Now once you click on it, all these are other pages that I actually have, and the mistake I made with this particular page is one mistake I don't want you to make. Now you see, when this page was being registered, I used Manchester City Addict, and currently I want to talk about football in general, but I actually can't use it anymore because I'm trying to change the name. It's not working, and I don't want you to make this mistake. So that's why you need to watch this video also, you don't make the mistake I made whilst creating this page. Now what you need to do from here is basically once you come over here, you click on where it says create. Now once you click on create, you are going to have this option, a personal page. This will act like your normal profile but is in a page format. And the other one is professional. This one is for public presence or promoting a brand, and that is exactly what you need. Now you click on next. Now once you come over here, they say professional, got it. Which do you want to start on? You can, let's say, create a new page, start afresh with a new name, separate audience, and professional tools. And the other option will ask you to add professional tools to your main profile. Always remember to go with create a new page. Now after that, you click on next. Now over here, they are going to request you to actually input your page name. So for the sake of this tutorial, now here's one thing I will let you know. Make sure that whatever name you are using here is the name that you want to stick with, you want your brand to stay with. Always think of the long term whilst you are using the name, and not just the short term. So for this, I'm not going to use this page for anything. I already have a lot of pages. Like I have over 5 to 10 different Facebook pages that are above 10k followers already. So I'm not actually going to do anything with this page. So I'm just going to use a random name. So let me just say Shell. So I'll just use Shell as the name. Then after that, you click on next. Now over here, you need to select the category. So for example, you can also, so maybe if you are in the sport is not suggested, you basically just type in sport. You can actually see the phone over here. So let me just type in sport. Now you can see sport personnel, sport team, sport, and so forth and so on. So whatever industry that you find yourself, you can actually put it here. You can also put here news. You are going to see news and media websites, so forth and so on. Now after you select the category, click on where it says create. Now once you click on create, you just have to wait for it to finish creating. So now over here, now you need to enter your bio. Now your bio should be a detailed description about yourself, or probably about, like, it should be about what the page is about, not you. Who cares about you? Just as well, you don't care about me, you only care about the channel. So basically, you need to make sure that the bio talks about the page and not you. If the page is about your personality, then good. But if the page is about something different from you, then make sure the bio actually points to that and not you. Nobody cares. The next is simply, if you have a website, you can add a website. If you have an email, you add the email. If you want to add a phone number, you add the phone number, the address. Now, whatever thing that you add in this session will actually be shown publicly, which means that anyone who visits your page can actually see either of these informations that you place here. So now once you finish up with whatever thing that you are doing, let me just put some random type in here, and then I'm just going to skip the rest, and you basically click on next. Now once you click on next, now you need to enter a cover photo. Now this should be like more like a cover photo. You know a cover photo already. So the next is basically your profile picture. So to input any of them, just click on the camera icon. If you click on the one here, you are updating your profile picture. If you click on the one here, you are updating your cover photo. Next, you click on next as usual. Now once you come over here, they will tell you to invite some of your already existing friends to come and follow up the page. Don't do this. I repeat, don't do this. Now you can invite yourself if you have multiple Facebook pages. Like you can see, here's my other Facebook profile that has been suggested here. Like you can invite yourself, good, but don't invite any other person. When you are starting a page, don't expect your friends to be your followers. Like on this my YouTube channel, I'm not even sure if any of my family members or friends are even following me. Now basically what I'm going to advise you simply make sure none of your friends follow you. Build your page and let anybody who follows you should be someone who followed willingly for the love they have for the sort of content you are creating, and not you begging them to do that. So for that reason, skip this step. You can invite yourself or leave it, and you just click on next. Now over here, click on done. Now once you click on done, it basically done. Your page is done creating. Now that your page is done creating, now here are some advices you need to have. So now let me come over to page. Now you can see your page is done. Here is your page, every single thing fresh. Now in case you want to create content on your page, like for example, let me come back to the page. Maybe you want to create content, you want to upload reels and stuff. You can, if you want to upload reel, you click on where it says reel. If you want to upload a normal media, maybe a normal long video, a normal image and text, you click on the camera, the photo icon, and then select whatever media you actually want to use. So you select whatever thing that you actually want to use off here. Now once you do that, that is basically it. You can just start posting and then doing your stuff normally. So guys, this is all I have for you in this video. So before you leave this video, I'd like to let you know that if you're interested in becoming a full-time content creator, you want to make money from this game, well, I'm actually offering a one-on-one mentorship where I get to guide you from zero till you get monetized on every single thing you need to know about content creation and how you can start making money as well. I do this work full-time. I don't do any 9 to 5. I'm a full-time content creator and I make money from this business. And if you're really willing to do so, I'm actually opening to walking you through the process. So guys, with this said, hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment for me as well. So guys, bye.